at part number 4741-L. This is your Rockwell American 12k through 16k electric auto-adjusting trailer brake assembly for the driver's side or left-hand side. It's 12 1/4 by 5 inches wide. That means it's 12 1/4 by 5-inch shoe. It comes with the brake flange bolts already in it. Unlike most of the other brands that we carry, Rockwell American is the only one that actually comes with the mounting studs, which is really nice in case you strip out the old ones. So that's a big plus. Comes with the backing plate on it. This guy is ready to go. Back in the day, everybody would change out the brake shoes and take this whole thing apart, change the magnet. But nowadays, guys, it's just much easier and simpler just to replace the whole thing. Cost effective and simple. Time is money. So I highly recommend just replacing the whole thing because the price difference isn't that much. You will always know you'll have a Rockwell American by the 5-hole flange because none of the other brands have a 5-hole. They all have 7 on the backing plate. So that's one easy way to know you have a Rockwell American. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.